Now, hello everyone. Now I want to make a onion salad, Tokyo style. So, cut the onion. The important thing is to just wash the onion in water and soak the onion in water. Now, I use white and red onion. Cut it. This is meal prep because this salad can be staying at the refrigerator in a glass for 1 week without any additive, because onion itself is antibacterial. So I make it once for several days, like this, because onion itself is good for guts, good for building up your immune system. I make this sweet sour. So I wash it in water, and this water afterwards will be the base for a very nice soup. So don't throw it away, because all the nutrition is in the water. I always cut onion like this way, and in a half, just turn around. As the onion itself is in water, also the knife is in water, so it doesn't make you cry. You don't feel a lot of tears come out because of the contact with water. Onion, I would let it in water maybe 10 minutes or so. Just the more contact it's in water, the more the onion will lose the hot spicy taste. And as we use the water as a dashi for cooking or for soup, so it doesn't matter. So now it's ready first. Hello everyone. Now I make the salad. Before I soak this onion in water, and now it's just salt. I have the black sugar from Taiwan, which is from sugarcane, and the rice. This is apple vinegar from Germany. I refilled it. This is enough, and now I can refill it in the jar, and this can be kept at least, I tried 1 week, is no problem. This is the same onion salad I made 1 week ago, so always take a slight bite for every meal. It's delicious and it's very, very healthy. Maybe I'll add a little bit of vinegar. And when we eat, we can eat it like this, or add some olive oil or sesame oil. That's all. So before serving, I put a little bit olive oil.